Hey guys, I know you're super excited for another thrilling math video, so it's coming your way right now. Question 3 on this practice test is asking you, what is the x-coordinate of a point along the line with a rule of 13x plus 2y equals 5 if the y-coordinate is 9? So in the end, we're trying to find what the x-coordinate is. They've given us the rule. The rule is 13x plus 2y equals 5. But, like we've learned from building our rule, we want to just have this y alone on this side. We want to get rid of everything else and just have it on its own. So we know from what we've done earlier this year that to get rid of the 13x, because that's the first thing we're going to want to do, we want to minus it by 13x. So that will get rid of it on this side, and whatever you do on this side, you're going to have to do on the other side. Now since there's no other x's here, this now, and like I told you, bring everything down, will look like this. 2y equals negative 13x plus 5. So we've done part of this problem already. We've gotten rid of the 13x and we've put it from one side to the other. Now, the next step we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get rid of the 2 that is attached to the y. By doing that, we're going to have the y alone on this side. So we're going to have to do, because the number is attached to a letter, it's saying that it would be multiplied by a number. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So now we're going to have to divide every single thing here by 2. So that'll leave us with y, because these two cancel out. And then if you take your negative 13 divided by 2 equals negative 6.5x. And if we take our 5 and divide that by 2, we're left with 2.5. And it's a positive. So now we have finally found our rule. It's right over there. But that's only part of the problem. That's why this type of question on your test is going to be worth 5 points. Because now we have the rule. We're trying to find the x-coordinate in the rule right here. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to place in our y. So y equals ax plus b. We know that it's y is equal to negative 6.5x plus 2.5. So now we're just going to place them in. We don't know what y is. We have negative 6.5. And, never mind that. We do know what our y is. Sorry, I froze there. It's 9. We don't know what our x is. And we have 2.5. So now, we want to make sure that we have our x isolated on this side and we have our number on the left. So this is what we're going to do. We want to get rid of this 2.5 first and throw it on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract this by 2.5 and subtract this by 2.5. So now on the right hand side we'll be left with nothing. On the left hand side we're going to do 9 minus 2.5. And that's going to leave us with 6.5 is equal to negative 6.5x. Okay? So now we're just left with these two numbers. Because this number is attached to an x, it means we're going to have to divide it. We can't minus it, we can't add it, we have to divide it. We're going to divide it by the exact same value. So we're dividing it by negative 6.5 and negative 6.5. So now all we need to do is do 6.5 divided by 6.5 negative, and we're left with negative 1 is equal to x, which means our final answer over here is that x is equal to negative 1. Sorry about the bell, I can't control everything. Hope you enjoyed it.